Hello, today I'm going to make for you June plum juice. So this is June plum. I don't think this is native of Jamaica. I don't even know how it came to Jamaica. I don't know if the Spanish brought it here or the settlers from England brought it here, but it came to Jamaica. I'll call it Jamaican June plum juice, but I'm sure it's elsewhere. The only thing that really come from Jamaica is cassava. Anyway, we're gonna make June plum juice. So you're gonna need June plum, sugar, ginger, and lime. So rinse this. Rinse it off. So this is 2.5 pounds of June plum. So rinse it. So make sure they're clean. As you know, they've been to the market, roll all over the place on the ground everywhere. See how the water dirty? Just for the outside. When they drop, you don't know where they drop. Clean your ginger. Just take sure the skin off. Just make sure the skin is off. I'm not going to use plenty ginger in this because the June plum is kind of almost sour, but not sweet. It's not sour, but it's not sweet. Rinse this off and put it aside until you're ready. Start peeling these. This is some work, but peel it. Just peel them. Best way you know how. I'm gonna be here peeling forever. So I'm gonna pause the video, take some time out. Oh, this now. How we eat this in Jamaica after you peel this? We sprinkle some salt on it and just eat this. Green just like this. Kids usually just bite in it because there's a seed in there with it. I'm gonna show you. This is how it looks. See that jokes. I'll sprinkle salt on this and eat it. Peel it. And they do get ripe, because see one getting ripe. But we mostly love it when it's green. And you can't eat when it's ripe. It can be eaten when it's ripe. See, this one is almost ripe. You get yellow, bright yellow, and sweeter. Alright, people usually don't buy these to juice because, you know, unless you live in a country and you have the tree and you have so much and you have plenty, then you juice it. But we just buy it to eat, have in the house, in the refrigerator for the kids as a snack. Because kids love these. And this is just saying a lot of things. If you see a little sore, just cut them out. Okay, this is also a specialty served in restaurants. I'm doing this just for the website. because I want everything Jamaican to be on it. On JamaicaDinners.com. And this also can be served for Sunday dinner. So do them all until it's complete. Just be patient. And it's not that much. So finish. These drinks usually cost a lot too, because I guess you see how much work I'm doing just to pee. I'm a Kingstonian, but when I was a child, my aunt used to take us to the country every summer, and we would spend almost every summer, all summer, in the country, and we had a lot of these type of trees. Ruga bush, or I don't think we had, yeah, we had one down in the yard. Down in our gully, like. So we had a gully. Yeah, I remember they had one down there for sure, because down below it they had a pig pen. You see, in the country, you know, people raise everything. Pig, fowl. You might see them with a 1 cow or 2 cow. Goats. Alright, so just keep on peeling. So if you want to know the secret why Jamaicans are so strong, it's in the food. I believe international food is becoming too unreal. Processed food. We still eat good food out here for now, because trust me, we have all those food out here too as well. It's cheaper. It's usually cheaper to buy those genetic foods, but these are the better food to eat. Them food that Rastafarians eat, people with money have made can make them kind of drink it for them. Right now, this is probably the second time I've ever done this, but I'm doing it for my website. That's my main reason, and for the DVD. And oh my God, how can I forget those people? My faithful supporters. I know exactly who you are, so continue supporting my YouTube channel and my website. I love you. Yeah, you started all of this. I'm taking this opportunity to have a conversation with you, my YouTube supporters, and my website supporters, and the persons who buy the books. Alright, so you just peel this. I'm making some changes on YouTube, so subscribe to my new channel. And I have a Jamaica Bake, my Jamaica Bakes YouTube channel. Support it. Here's a link on my website. So patiently go through these. I should time it and see how long it was taking me. I can't look at the time on the video. So peel these. So this is the last one. So just peel it. I hope you're seeing it. I'll go out of frame sometime, and then just put them in there, and just throw this in your garden or your compost. Compost, I love this. Make sure no skin is in it. Make sure you put your ginger in so you don't forget it. Alright. What some people do is take this apart like this. So you can do it like that. Just be reckless. There's a special way to do this. Just want to get the fruit off. Or we just put this in the blender just like this and make the blender do the work, which I'm gonna do. I'm just showing you the options. Now we're gonna blend. Where's my lid? Okay. So now we're gonna get ready to blend. Alright. So put these in like that. Ginger. Probably gonna blend 2 times. Trying to put everything that I need everywhere. So we'll just go to it as we're ready. So you have the ginger and the cucumber and the thing. Add the water, the June plum. Add the water and blend well. Blend for about 2 minutes or a minute. Blend well, blend for about a minute or 2. Now, strain it. Just throw it in and allow it to run off. And do the second batch. My blender is leaking. I have a few leave. Before I blend this though, I want to take out some of this. So let's do that. Let's see. Just don't stop stir. Just stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. And stir it. When you stir it, it helps squeeze the juice out. If you had a clean white rag, but use your hand if it's clean. Make sure it's clean and just hold on to the bottom and squeeze. So get as much as the juice out as possible, and then throw this out. Squeeze it properly. dispose of that. Put that here. So. In all, I'm using 5 cups of water. 5 cups of water. After that, strain this. Alright. Now, strain this last set. So now, strain this 2 or 3 times. So why it's important to strain it again and again. And again. Alright, that should be enough. Let's take this out. Alright, that's good enough. Add a lime. But first do it like squeeze a lime. So now add the sugar. I don't have a lot of this, but I'm gonna mix it with brown sugar. It's a quarter. It's a quarter. That's half. This is 3/4 cup. This is 1 cup. So stir it in. So just to cap, I used 2 pounds of June plum juice. 2.5 pounds of June plum. 4 limes, green limes, and I use 1.5 cup, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar or brown sugar. This is mixed because I didn't have enough granulated sugar. And I use 1 ounce of ginger, peeled and stripped. And I use 5 cups of water. Alright. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4 limes. Alright, so now stir this in. Cover it and refrigerate it until we're ready to serve. Stir it until the sugar is diluted. So this is June plum juice. Really have the June plum color. It's been seckled. That's in the refrigerator. So stir it in. I'm going to sample it together. And this is my glass. Right? The ice. Alright, so this is my June plum juice. June plum juice. This is my thing that fell. June plum juice. Keep on saying June plum juice, but it's June plum drink. June plum drink. June plum drink. June plum drink. Okay, let's test this. I'm not gonna drink it all. Well, it's June plum drink for sure. Tastes like June plum. So try it. It is so amazing how lime can spruce up any taste. The lime mixed with this make it kind of very refreshing. Alright. See you inside the world. Bye.